Don't be intimidated. Today I'll show you how to replace an old fill valve in less than 10 minutes. Since this might get messy, make sure to get plenty of towels and a bucket to catch some water. Next, shut off the water by turning the water valve to the right or clockwise until it stops. Flush the toilet to drain most of the water from the tank. Pull on the toilet flush lever and hold it to drain even more water. Remove the water supply connector from the bottom of the fill valve by twisting the connector to the right or clockwise. This is counterintuitive to the saying, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So again, twist it to the right to loosen it. The next step is to remove the old lock nut by again twisting it clockwise to the right to remove it from the fill valve. This was the most difficult step for me since I had to use a wrench to loosen it. Now you can easily remove the old fill valve, including the refill tube. I'll be replacing the old valve with the Fluidmaster 400A toilet fill valve, which has a 5-year warranty. This product was inexpensive and it is the #1 selling fill valve in the world. It was also designed and engineered in the USA, so you know it's good. The box includes everything you need, including the refill tube, the water fill valve, and the lock nut and refill clip. In this next step, I'll be making a preliminary height adjustment for the water fill valve so that the distance between the top of the overflow pipe here is roughly 3 inches lower than the top of the water fill valve cap right here. Again, you're looking for a roughly 3-inch height difference between the top of the overflow pipe and the top of the fill valve cap. To adjust the height, grab the base of the fill valve and twist it clockwise to the right to lengthen it, or counterclockwise to the left to shorten it. Now that we found the right height, we can secure the fill valve in place by screwing the lock nut to the left or counterclockwise, which is opposite to the saying, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Next, attach the water supply connector to the fill valve by once again twisting it to the left or counterclockwise. Do not over-tighten. Now grab the refill tube. You can use this refill tube and push it into place into the valve fill port. Twist it into place. Next, attach the refill clip to the other end of the refill tube. Now, attach the refill clip to the overflow pipe. Or, if there is an attachment in place in the overflow pipe already, you may not need the refill clip, and instead you can simply attach the refill tube as is. Now turn the water valve knob to the left or counterclockwise to turn on the water supply. After the tank stops filling, the water level should fill the tank to roughly ½ an inch below the top of the overflow pipe to ensure a proper flush. You can easily adjust the water level by twisting the water level adjustment screw clockwise to the right to raise the water level or counterclockwise to the left to lower the water level. Next, flush to reset the water level. If you're satisfied with the flush, you're done. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe to support my channel. Thanks for watching.